part of the enemy. And now we'll start reading this one. Is it +2? Yes. Yes, good morning, students. Participants, come on. Nitin, Rana, Palak, Priya, Sumit, Arju, yes. Come on, join fast. Students, if you want to say something, you can say before starting of chapter. About previous chapter, I think the law spring it was. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Yes, students, from the previous chapter, if you got any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll start. We'll start a new chapter. Introduction part was already over. The enemy. Name of the lesson, The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. Yes. Come on, students. Yes, students, be quick. Try to come in time. Join fast. Let's start reading. My sound is clear, sir?
Yes, sir, Ramer, sir.
Yes.
Sound is clear.
Okay, sir.
Picture is clear.
Okay, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Like this only it should remain. 18, join. Okay, let's start. The enemy. Already introduction part was over. Now let's start. It is time of the World War. ये World War का time था. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore, a dying state. He was almost about to die. It was, and he was found on the shore of this coast of the sea, and is found in the doorstep of Japanese doctor. And Japanese doctor house was just near to that. It was on the shore only. And should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the police or army as a patriot? As a patriot, as a citizen of the country, because war was going on between America and Japan. And as a citizen, he should have handed over him to the police. But as a doctor, now what duty he should prefer? Means as a doctor, he want to perform his duty, or as a citizen of Japan. Now let's read. Dr. Sadao Hoki house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast. Japanese coast पे on the seashore it was situated. उसके ऊपर उसका जापानी कोस्ट पे समुद्री किनारे उसका घर था. Whereas a little boy he had often played, जहाँ पर वो छोटा भी वहाँ पर खेला हुआ था. And the low square stone house, छोटे से square stone house was set upon the rocks. Rocks के ऊपर बनाया हुआ था. Well above the narrow beach, एक narrow beach against the shore, and that was outlined with the bent pines. और वहाँ पर pines के देवदार के it was outlined. The marking was there. As a boy, Dow had climbed the pines, or as a boy, he had climbed the trees. उन trees पर चढ़ा था, sporting himself on his bare feet, अपने नंगे पांव से sport करते हुए. And as he had seen men to do in the South Sea, जो South Sea में people do, when they want to climb the tree, they have to be barefooted. उनको नंगे पांव to say to the little brave, और कभी भी वो फेल नहीं होता to say little brave boy at his side, अपनी साइड से वो कभी फेल नहीं होता था काम करने के लिए. Those islands yonders, they are the stepping stone to the future of Japanese. Those islands yonder, those islands there, yonder means there, and they are the stepping stone to the future of Japan. Stepping stone means first step for the future of जापान के फ्यूचर के लिए एक पहला स्टेप था. Where shall we from them? सिडाओ asked seriously. सिडाओ ने एक बार सीरियसली अपने सन से पूछा. And where shall we step from them? उन पर कहाँ से हमें स्टेप करना चाहिए? Who knows? कौन जानता है? His father had answered. उसके फादर ने जो आंसर दिया था. Who can limit our future? हमारे फ्यूचर को कौन लिमिट कर सकता है? It depends on what we make it. हम के जो हम करते हैं, it depends on that. What we think, what we do. जो हम करते हैं ये उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. It means our future is totally limitless. हमारा जो फ्यूचर है लिमिटलेस है. सिडाओ है प्लेट ना खेलते थे. But who spent infinite pains upon him. लेकिन वो infinite, indefinite pain, infinite, which is not limited, तो पेन महसूस करते थे. And who was his only son? केवल उसका एक ही son. It's for his bright future and all for the concern of his education, he used to take pain. काफी पेन लेते थे. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. सडाओ को पता था कि उसके फादर का जो चीफ कंसर्न, चीफ वरी, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव, मेन गोल इज हिज एजुकेशन, उसकी एजुकेशन है. For this reason, he had been sent to 22 to America to learn all those he could be learned of surgery and medicine. At the age of 22 के एज में he was sent to America. उसको अमेरिका भेज दिया गया to learn about the medicine and surgery और medicine के लिए. Famous and he had come back at 30, और वो 30 की एज में he had come back. It means he stayed there for 8 years. Sometimes there can be a multiple choice question also like this. And before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but also as a scientist. लेकिन उसके फादर की डेथ से पहले he was very famous और very renowned doctor and scientist. वो एक डॉक्टर भी था और साइंटिस्ट भी बन गया था. Because he was perfecting a discovery, एक डिस्कवरी कर रहा था. He was perfecting which would render wound entirely clean. जो wound होते, जो घाव होते हैं उनको बिल्कुल क्लियर कर देंगे. He had not been sent abroad with the troops, और troops के साथ नहीं भेजा गया था. What is the meaning here actually the troops? Because in the Japan everybody is a soldier, and in case there is a war, everyone has to go to fight for the war or go to the front, go to the battlefield में जाना पड़ता है. But he was not sent because there was a reason. He was a very renowned scientist and doctor, and one general actually. He was in a pain and he was suffering from a disease, and any time he may require medical attention and operation also. That's why he was not sent to the front, or that's why he was not sent to the battlefield. वो battlefield में नहीं गया. Okay, this can be question why he was not sent to the battlefield once the war was going on between America and Japan. जापान और अमेरिका के बीच में जो वार हो रहा था उसको नहीं भेजा गया था because he was a scientist and an old general. He was in a deep pain and he needs his operation, or sometime operation also might be needed at any moment. किसी भी टाइम उसका ऑपरेशन की जरूरत पड़ सकती थी. That's why he was not sent to the battlefield. And also he knew that there was some slight danger of the old general. Old general को काफी खतरा था and might need an operation for a condition. उसकी जो what condition it was going on, जिस condition में था, he might need a operation. उसको operation की शायद जरूरत होगी, for which he was now being treated medically. उसको अभी medically treated. It means he was under medical observation and he might needed operation anytime. That's why Dr. Sadao was not sent to the battlefield. And for this possibility, Sadao was being kept in Japan. उसको जापान में means he was kept away from the battlefield. Battlefield से दूर रखा गया. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. अब cloud आ रहे थे ocean से. and the unexpected warmth of the past few days had a night drawn heavy fog, or because of the warm गर्मी के कारण and the heavy fog from the cold wave और heavy fog हो गया था. Sadhau watched mist hide outlines of the little island. Mist outline, mist means full of actual droplets and all. Droplets, बूंदों की, बौछारों की, mist, धुंध टाइप सी. Island near the seashore, and there came a creeping up the beach below the house, wrapping around the pine. And then came a creeping. Creeping means crawling on the elbow, moving something on the elbow, unable to stand properly. धोनियों के बल चलते हुए उसने किसी फिगर को देखा around the pines, उन पेड़ों के पास. And in a few minutes the fog would be wrapped about the house too. और थोड़ी देर में that fog it will cover the house too. Then he would go into the room, तब वो रूम में जाएगा, and where Hannah and his wife would be waiting for him with the two children, जो उनके बच्चों के साथ वो इंतजार कर रही थी. But at this moment, लेकिन उस समय the door opened and she looked out. दरवाजा खुला और उसने देखा a dark blue woolen horizon over the kimono. But at this moment, उसी समय the door opened, दरवाजा खुला, and the she looked out. उसने बाहर देखा a dark blue woolen forari. Forari actually it is a loose out garment. Actually it is Japanese dress fabricants. Over his kimono. Kimono is also a dress. उसकी dress पर पहने हुए जो overcoat and all it was there. And she came affectionately. वो उसके पास. Actually Sadhau was standing. She was there. वो भी वहाँ पर आ गई. And put her arms through his as he stood. और उसके ऊपर अपनी arms बाजू रख ली जैसे वो खड़ा हुआ था. Smiled and said nothing. वो मुस्कुराई but did not say anything. कुछ भी नहीं किया. He had met Hannah in America. Now they started thinking. He had met Hannah in America. Hannah actually it was Sadhau's wife. जो सडाउ की वाइफ थी, अमेरिका में मिले थे. But he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure that she was Japanese. लेकिन उसको लव करने से पहले he wanted to make sure that she is pure Japanese because he wanted to marry only Japanese. Japanese को केवल वो मैरी करना चाहता था. That's why he did not want to fall with anyone with love and all. और किसी के साथ मतलब वो अपना लव नहीं करना चाहता. His father would never have received his unless she had been pure in her race. Pure in her race means pure Japanese. If she had not been pure Japanese, his father would not have accepted her as a daughter-in-law. उसको अपनी daughter-in-law शायद वो नहीं accept करता अगर वो जापानी नहीं होती. And Japanese, and he wondered often whom he would have married. अगर वो किससे मैरिज करता. If he had not met Hannah, अगर हैना से नहीं मिलता तो किससे मैरिज करता. And by what luck he had found her in most casual way. और उसको किस तरह से by what luck कौन सी किस्मत अच्छी थी that he has found her casually. He was not in search of anything, just they have a casual meeting at the professor's house. जो in अमेरिका में अपने प्रोफेसर के where he was taking tuition and all, taking some coaching, वहाँ पर वो मिले. Most casually by chance, literally, and an American professor's house, अमेरिका के प्रोफेसर हाउस. The professor and his wife had been kind people. वो बहुत ही अच्छे लोग थे. Anxious to do something for their few foreigner students. जो वहाँ पर foreigner students थे, they wanted to do something for them. उनके लिए कुछ करना चाहते थे. And the students and दो bored student वो जबकि बोर हो गए थे, had accepted this kindness. लेकिन वो काफी accept कर गए. Sadhau had often told Hannah, now nearly he had not gone to Professor Hurley's house that night. Sadhau had often told Hannah, Sadhau हमेशा उसको बताती थी, how nearly he had not gone. Means she was not interested on that day to go to Professor's house. उस दिन नहीं जाना चाहती थी. But it is all luck, or you can say anything. To the professor's house that night. The rooms were so small. वहाँ पर रूम बहुत छोटे थे. मतलब she did not want to. Actually, they were looking after the foreigner students. ये जो foreigner students थे, normally in America and all, actually they don't allow the Japanese and all to give shelters. उनको वो so easily they don't give shelters to Japanese because at that time during the Second World War they thinking that they both are enemies. वो enemy है and that's why they did not want to give. But there are some kind people everywhere. The rooms were so small and the food so bad. और उनका food भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था, रूम भी छोटे थे. The professor's wife was so valuable लेकिन वो इतनी वैल्यूएबल थी भाई, एंड बट ही हैड गॉन, लेकिन वो गया, एंड देयर ही फाउंड हैना, वहां पर हैना उसको मिल गई। मींस ही डिड नॉट वांट टू गो देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड एंड साइज ऑफ रूम। एंड नाउ अ न्यू स्टूडेंट, एक नए स्टूडेंट के रूप में, ही हैड फेल्ट दैट ही वुड लव हर इफ इट इज ऑल पॉसिबल, भाई इससे लव करेगी इफ इट इज ऑल पॉसिबल, अगर पॉसिबल हुआ। Now he felt, actually they were standing at the beach, अब वो बीच पर खड़े हुए थे, they were thinking all these things, they were lost in the thoughts, ये विचारों में खोए हुए थे। Now he felt her hand on the arms, he means now felt her hand on the arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave, और जिससे उसको कितनी खुशी मिलती थी, he was aware, वो जानता था। Even though they had been married, जबकि वो शादी तो हो चुकी थी, years enough to have the two children, और उनके दो बच्चे भी थे, for that they had not married heedlessly in America, heedlessly without thinking, उन्होंने शादी without thinking नहीं की, and they had finished their work at the school में अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म करके had come to Japan, और home जापान में अपने घर आए, and when his father had seen her marriage had been arranged, जब उसके फादर ने उसको देख लिया था, then the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way, Japanese means according to the tradition and custom of the जापान के ट्रेडिशन और कस्टम के हिसाब से उनकी शादी कर दी। एंड although Sadao and Hannah had talked everything over beforehand, before marriage, मतलब they had talked everything, और चीज बात कर ली थी, they were perfectly happy and they were very happy, and so she laid her cheeks against his arm, उसने अपने cheeks उसकी arms पर रखी, and it was at this moment when she was just they were close to each other, and in the full of emotion they were recollecting their old memory, अपनी पुरानी memory कर रहे थे। The both of them saw something black come out of the mist. Now in this mist, foggy weather, uh, something black, कुछ black वहां पर आता हुआ दिखाई दिया, and it was a man who was flung upon out of the ocean, जो thrown out of the ocean फेंक दिया गया था। Flung, it seems, his feet by a breaker, or he might have struck against the breaker or stones in the sea में जो stone पत्थर थे उनसे शायद टकरा गया था। And he staggered a few steps, unable to walk properly, लड़खड़ाना, a few steps, थोड़े से step चला, and his body outlined against the mist, इसकी body मतलब it could be seen outlined, एक छाया सी बनी हुई थी against the mist, धुंध में, and his arm above his head, उसके arms head से ऊपर थे। Then the curled mist hid him again, and this mist again, curled means in a circle, it was moving, it is not a straight way, but it just curling motion. Again it was hid, means he was totally covered, दोबारा फिर वो cover हो गया। And who is that? Hannah cried. Hannah ने चिल्लाकर कहा, कौन है ये? She dropped Sadao's arm, उसने Sadao की आर्म नीचे डाल दी, and then they both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Veranda की जो railing थी, steel railing and all, they leaned over, bending, झुकना। Now they saw him again. उन्होंने दोबारा फिर उसको देखा। The man was on his hands and knees crawling. वो अपने hands और knees पर था, crawling means moving on the knees and on the knees he was moving, and the elbow. And then they saw him fall on his face, head lie there, and then they saw him falling also, उसको गिरते हुए भी देखा, on his face के बल, and lie there, और वहां पर पड़ा रहा। A fisherman, perhaps, Sadao said, Sadao ने कहा हो सकता है some fisherman, कोई fish washed from the boat से मतलब फेंक दिया गया हो, might have come. He ran quickly down the step, वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे दौड़ कर गए। Behind him Hannah came, and behind that Hannah also came. Her wide sleeve, उसकी जो sleeves थी, these were flying, तो sleeves होती है शर्ट की, these were flying. A mile or two away, or either side, there was fishing village. So either side, both the side of the shore, there were fishing village. वहाँ पर fishing village था 1-2 मील के दूर में, but there was only a bare and lonely coast. ये केवल अकेला ही coast था, and the dangerous with rocks, and it is very dangerous with the rocks. That's why hardly some fishermen used to come. The surf beyond the beach was spiked with the rocks, and the surf and all जो beyond the इनके आगे जो surf का मतलब spins on some foam and all, it is formed because of the water when striking. again was spiked with the rocks. Rocks के था spikes. Spikes means striking. And somehow the man managed to come through them. और किसी तरह से उस व्यक्ति ने he came out from there. वो आ गया था. He must be badly torn. Means they thought that must be badly torn, must be badly injured. काफी injured हो गया होगा. They saw when they came towards him that indeed it was so. जब वो उसके पास आए तब उन्होंने देखा indeed it was so, ऐसा ही था. And the sand on one side of him, उसकी एक साइड में sand था, and already a stain of red soaking through. और उसमें एक red soaking through, मतलब something red color it was being soaked by the sand. Sand ने soak किया. And he's wounded, Sdow explained. Sdow ने कहा he's wounded, बिल्कुल घायल हुआ है. He made haste to the man. वो जल्दी से उसकी तरफ गया. Who lay motionless, his face in his sand. जो motionless, without any movement, he was lying there, and the face was on the sand, उल्टा. An old cap stuck to his head. एक पुरानी सी कैप भी उसके सिर पर लगी. Soaked with the sea water. उस sea water से soaked, full of sea water. He was in wet rags of the garment, wet rags, गीले कपड़े, rags. Rags means फटे पुराने कपड़े and all, tear in bad condition. And Sdow stopped, Sdow था, Hannah at his face, side, Hannah उसकी side में थी, and the turned the man's head. He turned the man because he was lying upside down, उल्टा पड़ा हुआ था. And they saw the face. अब उन्होंने उनका face देखा. A white man, Hannah whispered. Hannah ने कहा, a white man. White man means here गोरा व्यक्ति. It means American, an American. Yes, it was the white man. वो white man ही था. The wet cap fell away. उसकी जो wet cap थी, it fell away. And there was his wet yellow hair long. और उसके yellow hair थे long, काफी बड़े. As though for many weeks it had not been cut. जैसे कई weeks से वो काटे नहीं गए थे. And upon his young and tortured face, और उसका young और tortured means all sort of pain and suffering was given because he was a prisoner of war. He was caught during the war, and certainly some sort of pains and suffering is being given to disclose the secrets and all. उनसे secret निकलवाने के लिए all sort of treatment, this type of treatment is being. They are tortured mercilessly rather. Face was rough, yellow beard. और उसकी yellow beard थी, face was rough. And he was unconscious था, not in sense, and knew nothing that they did for him. And knew nothing, और कुछ नहीं जानते थे that they did for him. जो उन्होंने उसके लिए. Now Sdow remembered the wound. अब उसको फिर उसका घाव याद आया. Right side of his lower back, उसकी lower back में right side में Sdow saw a gun wound, एक गन का wound दिखाई दिया. उसने गन का घाव लगा. Has been reopened because of the movement in the sea. The sea, और sea में movement के कारण, because he might have been thrown here and there by the waves. Waves ने इधर उधर डाला होगा, and because of that it was reopened. दोबारा खुल गया था. The flesh was blackened, और वहाँ पर flesh था जो black हो गया था with powder के साथ. Something or sometime not many days ago. ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुए थे. It was not many days ago. Many days नहीं हुए थे. And the man had been shot. उस व्यक्ति को गोली लगी थी. Had not been tended. Tended means treated. Not been tended. उसका इलाज नहीं किया. It was bad chance that the rock had struck the wound. Or it was a bad luck. Means the rock actually struck on the same point. उसी point पर उसको rock से strike किया. Oh, how he's bleeding, कितना bleeding हो रहा. Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice, very serious voice. उसने एक बार फिर whispered, speaking very slowly, धीरे से बोलना. And the mist screened them now completely. And the mist screened them. अब धुंध ने वो उनके ऊपर पूरी छा गई थी. And at this time of the day, no one came by. और इस समय कोई भी आता नहीं. The fishermen had gone home. Fishermen जो कुछ आते थे, they had gone home. Even the chance of beach comber would have been considered the day at the end. Or beach combers means those who are looking after all these activities. Is there any incident or incident happened at us? The beach combers वहाँ पर जो थे, they had think that the day at the end of the day. तो ये day का end हो गया. What shall we do with this man? हम इस व्यक्ति के साथ क्या करेंगे? सिडाओ मटर्ड, सिडाओ अगेन ही also whispered, धीरे से बोला, but his trained hand seemed of their own will, उसके trained hand seemed of their own will, उसकी अपनी इच्छा दिखा रहे थे, to be doing what they could do, snatch the fearful bleeding, means to avoid this bleeding, what he could do, वो क्या कर सकता है? He packed the wound with the sea moss, whatever the green grass of the sea moss, काई जिसको बोलते हैं, it was, and he covered the wound and the strewed the beach, जो वहां से बीच पर थी उसे that strewed the beach, वहां पर पड़ी हुई थी, उसने वो काई उठाई, that was water in the sea water, and the man moaned with pain, वो थोड़ा सा पेन से, he started crying, चिल्लाया, and in a stupor, but he did not awaken, बिल्कुल in a stupor means just in the, he did not wake up, unconscious condition, he just moaned, करा. The best thing that we could do was to put him back into the sea. Sadao said. Sadao ने कहा, the best thing what we can do, we can put him back into the sea. उसको sea में डाल. Answering himself means he was talking to himself. अपने आप से बात कर रहा था. Now that the bleeding was stopped for a moment and वो bleeding थोड़ी रुक गई थी. He stood up and dusted the sand. उसने खड़ा, he stood up dusted the sand from his hand. अपने हाथ से जो sand लगा हुआ था, that is Dr. Sadao, and he dusted that one. He removed that one. And you doubtedly that would be the best. Hannah said steadily, और Hannah ने भी उसको steadily, बिल्कुल continuously in a very peaceful manner. She told that yes, undoubtedly that would be the best. Means यही एक best होगा. We should put him back into the sea. But she continued to stare down at the motionless. But she continued to stare down, continued watching. उसको देखती रही. And if we sheltered a white man in our house, उसने कहा कि अगर हम इसको shelter देते हैं, we should be arrested. Means we can be called terrorist, तो ये हो सकते हैं. And if we turned him over as a prisoner, अगर हम इसको as a prisoner, if we hand him over to the police or the security, and he would certainly die. जरूर मर जाएगा. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea. सबसे बढ़िया चीज होगी, we'll put him back into the sea. Hannah said. But neither of them knew. But they told that both of them they agreed, but they did not react anything. Means they did not try to put him into the sea. It means their thought and their emotions were not matching at all. What they were telling, that their conscious was not allowing. वो उनका conscious allow नहीं कर रहा. And the kindest thing would be put back into the sea. But Hannah said, but neither of them moved. कोई भी उनमें से. And they were staring with a curious, very curious, in an interesting way, try to find out with a keen observation. Repulsive upon the inert figure that lay motion. They were repulsive and feeling something hindered also. उसे नफरत घृणा की तरह से देखती रही. What is he? Hannah whispered. Hannah ने कहा भाई ये क्या है? मतलब there is something about him that looks American. बोलता ऐसा लगता है कोई अमेरिकन है. Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. उसने कैप उठाई. Yes, there. उस पर लिखा हुआ था almost gone. जो यहाँ पर सब मिट चुका था. Was the faint lettering. थोड़े faint, धुंधले, not clear, blurred. A sailor. उसने लिखा ना sailor means the from American Navy, US Navy. And he said उसने कहा from American warship means Navy. And he spelled it out. उसमें spell means try to read what it was written on the cap. US Navy, United States of America. And the man was a prisoner of war. Means he was a prisoner of war. He has escaped. Hannah cried softly. That he has escaped. He has escaped from the this one jail, from the security forces, and that's why he's wounded. इसीलिए wounded हुआ है. Is the back in the back? Sadao agreed. Sadao जो उसके पीछे खड़ा था, he also agreed. And they hesitated, looking at him. They were not able to take decision what to do, whether to throw him back into the sea or treat him. And then Hannah said with the decision, Hannah said, come, we are able to put him back into the sea. Means we can put him back into the sea. हम इसको sea में डाल दें. If I am able, are you? Sadao said. Sadao ने कहा, if I can put can you means emotionally actually they were trying to discuss each other. They were trying to take, know the feeling of each other. एक दूसरे की feeling समझ रहे. No, Hannah said. Hannah ने कहा, but if you can do it alone, अगर आप इसे अकेले कर सकते हो, means emotionally if you think that we should throw him, because both were doctors, दोनों doctors. Sadao hesitated. Sadao भी थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाया. The strange thing is, और उसमें strange thing थी, he said, उसने कहा that if the man were whole, अगर ये complete हो, I could turn him over to the police. Whole means healthy, not having any wound and all. अगर घाव नहीं होता, in a physically fit condition, I would have handed over to without any difficulty. बिना difficulty I would have handed him over to the police security forces. And I care nothing for him. उसकी care नहीं करता मैं. He's my enemy. वो मेरा enemy है. All Americans are my enemy. सारे American मेरे enemy हैं. And he's only a common fellow. और ये केवल एक common fellow है. I don't care for that. Means that was the decision, or that was the thought of Sadao के. And you see how foolish his face is. इतना कितना, but since he is wounded, but that is the main point rather. Since he is wounded means everything they accepted, that they did not want to keep him, but because he is wounded, because after all both they were doctors. You you also cannot throw him back to the sea, Hannah said. और Hannah ने कहा, okay, you cannot throw him back into the sea. आप भी इसे sea में नहीं डाल सकते. Then there is only one thing to do. तब तो एक ही चीज बची है. We must carry him into the house. उसको घर ले चलते हैं. But the servant said how inquired. Sadao ने कहा, what servant? मतलब what they will think. नौकर क्या करेंगे? And we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police. हम उनको बता देंगे we wanted, intent, we wish to give him to the police. हम उसको पुलिस को दे देना, as indeed we must. और वास्तव में हम इनको पुलिस को दे देंगे. Sadao. And we must think of the children and your position. मैं आपकी position, because as a lady I think she may feel she may full of fear because of this sort of activity. Because if they are considered traitor, if security forces or if police come to know about the sheltering of a American soldier, I think they will be in a very great trouble. उनको काफी trouble होगा, और sometime even they may be put to prison. Then what will happen to their children? उनके बच्चों का होगा. All these things they started thinking. सब चीज उन्होंने, and it would endanger all of us. हमारे लिए सबके लिए खतरा है. If we did not give the man over to the prisoner of war. Prisoner of war means to the security forces. If it is not handed over, it means it can be a danger for everyone. हमारे सब के लिए. Certainly, Sadao agreed. Sadao agreed, yeah, yes. And I would not think of doing anything else. मैं और कुछ मतलब करूँगा नहीं. Thus agreed, and they lifted the man. वो दोनों agree हो गए, and they lifted the man. He was very light, and like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time. Until it was feather and the skeleton. जैसे birds के लिए होते हैं, all everything is removed means very light. And so his arms hanging, उसके arms hang कर रहे थे side by. They carried him up to the stairs. वो उसको steps पर, सीढ़ियों पर ले आए. Into the side door of the house. Side door से वो घर में लेके आए. The door opened in a passage. वो door एक passage में, गलियारे में खुलता. And they had laid him on the deeply matted floor. Deeply matted floor के ऊपर उन्हें फर्श के ऊपर उसको डाल दिया. Everything had been Japanese to please the old man. मतलब सभी कुछ Japanese था वहाँ पर, to please the old man. उस old man को please करने के लिए, means father के लिए. And who would never in his own home sit on a chair, जो chair पर नहीं बैठता था. It means he followed the customs and tradition of the society in Japan very serious. Or sleep in a foreign bed. वो foreign bed पे भी नहीं सोते. Means bed should also be of Japan. That was the patriotism shown for the country. Hannah went to the wall cupboard. Hannah wall के cupboard की तरफ गई. Slide back a door. एक door को slide किया. And took out a soft quilt, or a quilt. Quilt means covering, रजाई. And she hesitated. उसने थोड़ी सी hesitate किया. And the quilt was covered with flowered silk. वो फूलों के silk से बनी हुई थी. And lining was pure white silk. और जो lining थी, it was pure white silk. white silky. And he's so dirty, वो इतनी dirty थी, she murmured in a distress, दुखी से मतलब and he's so dirty, वो इतना dirty था, she murmured in a distress, दुख से मतलब she started whispering, yes, he had better be washed, उसको better होगा wash कर ले. And Sdaw agreed. Sdaw agree हो गया. If you will fetch the hot water, I'll wash him. अगर आप hot water ले आओ तो मैं wash कर दूंगा. I cannot bear for you to touch him. She said. उसने कहा मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप इसे touch करें. And we shall have to tell the servant he is there. हम servant को कह देंगे वो है. And I'll tell Yumi now. मैं Yumi को भी बता दूंगी. Yumi servant again. And she can leave the children for a few minutes. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए बच्चों को छोड़ देगी. And she can wash. वो उनको wash कर वो wash कर देगी. Participants, how many? 30. Okay, up to this time it means now they have brought him and they wanted to wash him. उसको wash करना चाहती. And they wanted to wash him. Now the actual scene starts because all the servants and all they would not help him. उसको बिल्कुल help करना नहीं चाहते थे, and that's why. So Sadao considered for a moment. Yumi will means she would leave the Yumi, that servant or caretaker of the children, and she would leave the children for some time. उन बच्चों को थोड़ी देर छोड़ देगी and wash him. उसको wash. Sadao considered a moment. Let it be so. ऐसा होने दो. He agreed. वो भी agreed. You tell Yumi and I'll tell the others. आप Yumi को बोल दो और मैं दूसरों को बता दूँ. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to the stoop and feel his pulse. But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face, pallor, pale color face, because he was unconscious, and moved him first to stoop, bend करना, and to feel his pulse, उसकी pulse feel करने के लिए. And it was faint, but it was there. Mean the pulse, it was beating, heartbeat was there, but it was very faint. थोड़ा सा faint था, faint means very weak. And he put his hand against the man's cold breast, उसकी chest की तरफ उसने किया, and their heart was still yet alive. उसका heart भी अभी अच्छा काम कर रहा था. He will die unless he is operated on. Sadao said, considering. Sadao ने कहा भाई if he is not operated, he would die. मर जाएगा वो. The question is whether he will not die away anyway, or question whether he will not die anyway. मतलब किसी तरह से नहीं मरना चाहिए. Hannah cried out in fear. Hannah ने चिल्ला कर कहा, don't try to save him. इसको सेव करने की कोशिश मत करना. What if he should alive? अगर ये जीवित हो गया तो क्या होगा? And what if he should die? लेकिन अगर ये मर जाता है तो क्या होगा? Sadao replied. Sadao ने कहा. And he stood gazing down onto the motionless man. Stood gazing, watching him. And he stood there and he was watching the man lying on the floor. The floor for unconscious condition he was lying, and he was watching. उसको देख रहा था. This man must have extraordinary vitality. Vitality very strong strength. इसमें extraordinary strength है. He would have been dead by now. अभी तक तो इसको मर जाना चाहिए था. Whatever suffering he has, whatever pains and suffering he has go under, जो भी उसने suffer किया है. And but then he was very young, और एक वो young था, and perhaps not yet 25. अभी उसकी एज 25 भी नहीं हुई थी. अभी उसकी एज 25 भी नहीं हुई. You mean die from operation? Hannah asked. Hannah ने कहा क्या आप सोचते हो ये ऑपरेशन से मर जाएगा? Yes, Dow said. Dow ने कहा because he has seen the condition of the pulse and all, heartbeat and all. He has already considered, and even over bleeding it was also.